My name is Tudor Barrett-Skanes. I'm the owner of Premier Boat Tours in Mount Dora. Premier Boat Tours is a tour company that gives tours of the Harris chain of lakes. Our primary tour that we offer is the 2-hour Dora Canal Eco Tour. We cruise across the lake. The lake is 5 miles across. Then we head into the Dora Canal and we traverse the narrow passages of the canal. During that time, the captain will give you some history on the area. He'll also give you some information about the birds and the animals. And people just love to enjoy that. We're not going fast, going slow through there, so you get to see what it's all about and to feel what it really was like maybe hundreds of years ago. We're always going so fast, so unwinding is important. And for me personally, and for a lot of people, being out on a boat, you instantly unwind and slow down. You get to just really soak it all in. You forget about your phone and your texts and all that kind of stuff, and you just continue and see what we've got around us. We've got some nice fresh air. Even through the summer, it's a little cooler out on the lake. Lake County is real Florida because it's not like being down in the city where things have been imported and brought in. Everything here is more natural. We have the Dora Canal, there's other great water places, and then we've got downtown Mount Dora, and Mount Dora has a lot of business that are family owned. We don't have any chain restaurants downtown, so I think that makes it real Florida. You're getting something from the locals. My name is Tudor Barrett-Skanes, and I love lake life.